I want to thank Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video. They sent me this beautiful pre-plucked wig. It's in body wave and it's 24 inches with 180 density, and it's a really gorgeous wig. I did end up bleaching the knots and plucking it a little bit more myself. It has lace in the front and lace in the back, 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps as well. And it does have a little stretch to it. So if you are interested in this wig, I'll have all the details down below in my description box so you can check them out. Hey y'all, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, I look like I've been sleeping on the streets, but I haven't. I just woke up. Good morning. And I was gonna show you guys how I apply my wigs because I have a lot of hair and it's hard to get my hair to lay flat under wigs because it's like so big and poofy, and then if I don't do it right, I'll end up having like a hump in the back of my head. I'm sure you've seen girls or women that have, you know, like a hump in the back of their head, and you can tell like that's where their hair was, like their ponytail or their bun was. So I'm gonna share with you guys how I make my wigs look flat with so much hair. So if you guys are interested in how I do that, please continue watching. Also, excuse me for this look. Okay, so really quick before I get into the shower, I'm gonna part my hair right down the middle in 2 sections, and then I'll hop in the shower for the next part. Okay, so you know what? I have it separated in 2 sections. I'm not sure if the part is completely straight, but that doesn't really matter. But my hair is pretty evenly sectioned into 2 sections, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower. So what I do is I'll just work like section by section. So I'll do the first side, I'll get it all wet, and then my hair is already washed because I washed it the night before. So I'm just gonna put some conditioner in my hair to help detangle it, and then after I have it all detangled, I'm just gonna like brush my hair back behind my ear, make sure it's all completely detangled, and I do this under running water. And then I'm going to separate it into 3 sections and just start to braid it. And I braid it really tight, and I braid it under the running water. And I noticed doing it this way makes it so much easier because the water helps kind of like clump the sections together, and it's like stretching my hair at the same time. So it makes it so easy to have it all like really, really neat and really just... It makes a difference. It's easier to braid it whenever you have the water running on down your hair. So that's what I do, and I just braid it all the way down. And then that's the first one. As you can see, it's like way tight and like not poofy at all. So then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. And yeah, I use a lot of conditioner, like globs. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a t-shirt and put that on my head just so it can absorb the excess water out of my braids while I do my makeup, and then I will apply my wig. So I'll be right back. So I just take a cotton t-shirt, and then I wrap the shirt around my braids, and then I kind of just wrap it into a bun, and then I'll just put a hair tie to secure it, and that's it. Okay, so I just did my makeup, so I let my hair dry for a little bit, maybe like 15 minutes or so. And so now I'm ready to go ahead and put on my wig cap. These are my braids. They're not real poofy, they're nice and tight. It's like slightly damp, but not too much. And the thing is, I don't keep my wigs on for more than a day. Like I'm not the type of person that can keep a wig on for like, you know, days at a time. I put it on for the day and then I take it off when I get home. So I'm not worried about like the moisture or anything like that. So what I do is I'll just take my braids and then I'll kind of crisscross them, and then I just keep crisscrossing them and just like holding it down, and then I crisscross all the way, and then I'll just take the wig cap and I'll put it on from back to front so they all like stay held down, and then that's pretty much it. And since I like brushed it down, it's all super flat here, not bulky at all. There's no hump right here that a lot of people have, like that hump right there. There's no hump. It's just nice and smooth and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on really quick. The wig is from Tinashe Hair. I've worked with them several times. The hair quality is bomb. I love their hair. I love their customer service. So if you guys are looking for a wig, I'll leave all the details in my description box down below, so you guys make sure you check it out. Check out their website, and then there should be a coupon code down there as well. But yeah, let me go ahead and apply this wig. So what I'm going to be using is, I have a little bit of Got2b glue spray left, like I don't even know, but I will use some of the Got2b glue spray, and then I have a little tiny Got2b glue gel. So I'll just use the spray and spray that along the front of my hairline on top of the wig cap. And then I'll take my blow dryer and blow dry it dry. Then next I'll just put the wig on, and then I'll push it back just a little bit and apply some of the Got2b glued gel just around the front part of my edges, and I'll just kind of push that down a little bit. And then after I hold it down, I will blow dry it so it will stick to my head. Ooh, that is on there, so I'm not gonna yank too hard, because let's move on to the next step. The next step is to curl the hair, and I'm just using my curling iron and just wrapping my hair around the barrel, and then just kind of letting it sit for maybe 10 seconds, and then that's it. I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair and I'm done. Okay, so this is the final look. This is like the after of how I got all of my hair into this wig. It's like all laid flat. As you can see, it's all nice. No like big humps or anything. It's just really natural looking, and I'm glad I found out this like method of, or I figured out this way of doing it, because it used to stress me out a lot trying to get all of my hair to fit into a wig. But it's easy now, and this is how I do it, and this is how it looks. Natural, right? So let me know if you guys try it out, and if you like this hair, it's really good quality, you guys. Check out my description box down below, and yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.